I am Franco Negri. I work at La Base Lamay. Now we are in a beautiful mountain, which is called Marcasuna. It's an Apu, it's an important mountain in the community of Huama. Lamay is located in the Sacred Valley of the Incas. It's like 1 hour from Cusco, yes. La Base Lamay is a project that was born with the purpose of supporting nature conservation and sustainable development of the people, the local people of the village and local communities in Lamay. Tourism is a tool for conservation. We bring travelers to the communities and we have like very spontaneous and simple connection experiences with travelers. It's fun for everybody coming here. First of all, we have met the local people, we have dressed with the local dressing, and that's very nice. They introduce us to their culture, no? We connect to each other, and then we can hike, as we did today. We can hike up to the mountains. We can do short hikes, easy hikes. We pass through Inca remains. Then we eat the local food, which is very nice as well. And then what we will do now is we will cook in the traditional way. We'll do a huatia, we will do the uchucuta, which is making the hot sauce, which can be not that hot. We are learning as well in the way about weaving. As you can see, the women are all the time weaving their la pushka, which is the spinning wool. So there is a bunch of activities that we can do with the communities according to travelers' interest. Well, you should come to Peru and see. But we have a lot of things to share. We have like beautiful mountains, nice people that share their culture. My perfect Peru is exactly what I like sharing. It's the mountains, meeting the local people, eating the amazing food, and having fun. Welcome to Lamay and to the beautiful mountains of the Sacred Valley. I am looking forward to see you around and hang out together.